Hello everyone. Today I will show you how you can delete blank page in Word. So first let's open our document. And we have two blank pages. One in the middle, and at the end. So if your blank page is at the end, all you have to do is just click on the page and press backspace key on your keyboard, and the blank page is deleted. But if your blank page is in the middle, go to the page and click on the page. Then press Ctrl+G. Then type \page. Then click on Go To and close the tab. Then all you have to do is press the delete key on your keyboard. And as you can see, it's deleted. So if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. And we will see you in the next video.